Hi, I'm RJ Baxter, your Out of the Box Thunder with your Saturday strategy. I'm out in front of Eisenhower Tunnel today, and I thought it was a great opportunity for a video. A couple interesting facts about the Eisenhower Tunnel. This tunnel is 1.69 miles long, and it took 5 years to build this tunnel in the 70s. So I wanted to, the reason why I wanted to stand here for this particular video is to talk about the importance of persistence in our business and sticking to the plan. There's so many times, I've done this so many times myself, where I start a strategy, I do it for a week or two or a month, and then I say, I throw my hands up and say, well, that didn't work, so I go on to something else. And that is one of the biggest mistakes that unsuccessful real estate agents and mortgage lenders make. They start a strategy, and then after just a few weeks or a short time, they declare that it didn't work and they give it up. And the purpose of this week's strategy is to talk about the implementation of your strategies and the importance of persistence and sticking to that plan over time. The people that built the Eisenhower Tunnel, they didn't bore into the mountain for a week and then say, well, we couldn't get through the mountain, that didn't work, we're going to stop doing the tunnel. They stuck at it for 5 years before they had success and popped out the other side and were able to complete the tunnel. So remember this as an analogy to sticking with your strategies, because these things take time. Strategies that you learn from other top agents, from watching my video, from whoever else, these strategies work because they're proven. The people that are sharing these strategies, they're sharing them because others have had success with these strategies, but they didn't have success by only trying them for a short period. They had success because they stuck to it, they were persistent over time, and they stayed with the plan until that strategy came to fruition and they started to gain the success. An example from my own business is my video campaigns. I've been doing video now for over 10 years consistently every single week, and because of that consistency, that's what has led to the success that I've had in video. Even the first year or two, I didn't have much success with it. I had probably very few people that even noticed that I was doing it, but now it's become something that I'm known for, and I get a lot of business from it. A lot of people find my videos, they call me because of it, and it's something that people can associate with me and my business. Anyway, call me if you have any questions on that or anything loan related. I'm always here for you, for your buyers, for your pre-approvals, and you guys have a great rest of your weekend. Stay safe out there.